This is my end result of my Hungry Man vegetables. It is the carrots. They are glazed, and look at that. They are delicious looking, y'all. They are very good. They have that good old caramel looking brown taste on it, the brown sugar taste. It's fabulous, y'all. Fabulous. Look at that. Hungry Man vegetables. Big. I'll show you how they look. And we boiled them down until we got a little syrup. And they're easy and ready to serve. It's essential. I want to tell you have it eaten after this presentation. I'll show you how to do these wonderful Hungry Man carrots. They are fabulous, y'all. This is Sandra, and I want to thank you for coming to my channel. I really appreciate all my subscribers, and I appreciate the ones who stop by and watch. I want to thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for coming by to my channel. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and I call this recipe, y'all, a Hungry Man meal. Yes, indeed. It's a Hungry Man vegetables. These are carrots. These are washed and clean, and they're big like that, y'all. They're big like that. And, you know, people say they stay away from carrots, but they are delicious if you fix them right. So what I'm going to do is show you how I do mine. I got 2 sticks of butter. And I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carrots. Thick ones, thick carrots. And I'm going to add salt to the water. Just like that. And then I'm going to add just a little cayenne pepper. Not too much. Just a little to give it just a little zing zing, you know. On top of the butter, just like that. Just a little. Give it a little zing. And, you know I like black pepper, so we're going to put a little black pepper on. Just a little. And then we're going to add some brown sugar. Yes, indeed. We're going to add some brown sugar as much as you want. Now, I love brown sugar, so I'm going to put a lot of brown sugar on these. Because they are delicious. They are delicious because they're going to cook down into this syrup. So you're going to need a lot of brown sugar, maybe about 2 cups packed sugar, maybe that much, I don't know, but you know, that's what you're going to do. Then you're going to put a top on it, and you're going to put it on top of the stove and let it cook. I got a clear top so I can see if they start turning to yams, like, you know, like yummy syrupy. So that's what I'm going to show you when we come back. These are perfect. This is called a Hungry Man dish, and this is Sandra.